Hi guys, I'm Caleb here, and today once again we have got a 3-room flat for sale right at 8 Toa Payoh, Lorong 7 Toa Payoh. So actually you can see over that side is Chun Public School already. Just across the road you can reach that school itself. Then further down at block 4 you have a Sheng Siong supermarket that is just walking distance nearby. And you want to go to the nearest MRT, there is a bus stop downstairs that reach to Braddell MRT in 10 minutes time. And the bus stop over here leads to Toa Payoh MRT in just 5 stops away. So let's check out this 3-room flat. So right now we are on the 11th floor. So basically it's the highest floor of all. So the entire house has been fully painted and it's really nicely done up by the painter, by the owner as well. So you have 2 rooms over here. The entire width of this entire living and dining can fit a comfortable 2-seater, 3-seater sofa with a dining space over here as well. So it's quite a big size 3-room flat over here. So right now we are in the first common room. Common room space is quite huge also. So you can do up your own renovation to your liking. By taking out the flooring, you can overlay with vinyl. Just below it actually is a concrete flooring already. So it's something that you guys can consider doing. Yeah, this is the master. Master does not have the toilet access. So basically, the entire space is also regular. There's no built-in of this entire space. There's no fixtures. So in terms of renovation, it's a lot easier for you to do also. So we come to the last part, which is the kitchen. Kitchen aspect is also huge. You have the sink over at this side. You want to do a built-in full height cabinet. It's also possible. Or otherwise, if you want to do it over at this side, it's also possible also. So some people will do both left and right kind of kitchen cabinets for you to consider also. So rubbish chute is also in the unit, so it helps you for convenience also. So the good thing about this 3-room flat, it comes with a huge utility room. Some people use it for a study, some people use it as a store, or some even use it as an extra bedroom space. So this is another possibility. So the good thing is that it's north-south facing, so you got very plentiful wind coming throughout the day. So last of all, it's the toilet. It's kind of a shower space and also the toilet bowl space over here. If you want to hack in the middle, it's possible for you to consider to do so also. Sometimes people want to have the access from here to the master room. It's subject to approval if you want to hack away the wall to link to the master room as well. That's also another possibility also. So all in all, you have a lot of options when it comes to this place because everything is good for you to renovate to all the liking that you like to have also. One more thing about this entire kitchen is that if you want to hack away this wall to make it fully open concept kitchen and dining and living room, it's also another possibility whereby you have a larger space in your dining area and you have a lot of more space to work around with whatever plans that you have in mind. Alright, once again, I'm Caleb. If you want to see this house soon, and I'll be glad to show it to you, just drop me a call. The number is below. Goodbye.